African child with a future that only you can wonder. Raising the ghetto, adapting to my surroundings. Can help it, I'm a smoker and drinker. The shit I find, yeah. And I got no fear. The thing y'all calling life is something that brought more tear. My life ain't being clear. Open the windows and curtains that got me overwhelmed. I'm really grateful for living, man. Don't you get me wrong. It's just sometimes that a nigga be really needing help. I'm getting lifted through high splits. Was my drift to vanish from reality that a nigga was brought with. Blessed with a talent to speak, but still I hold in. Burdens from my losses and losses that life threw me with. I keep trying to be sober like a bartender. Mix emotions like all my feelings inside a blender. Easy to feeling or easy part of my adolescence. So this arrogance cause a nigga just never listen. A conversation with uncle, too bad ain't just a present. A nigga want a bitch but you just want to bless her. I don't give a fuck about these niggas. Man, I pull up to the scene, I finna dump all these niggas. On my mama, I ain't changed on these niggas. Y'all got me fucked up. 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 Asal sa yara di bro. What's your love man? Say bro. Azit. Yan na yan, laking mga araw sa inyo.
Freddy the Cultist.
Slime mo ba isip?
Freddy the Cultist.
Ang lahat natin sa rip bro.